do really like this dark blue color. So you don't get a lot of these? It's a really nice color. So they changed something up on it?
Well, the second and third, or first and second, two of the clutch discs came on one spline spindle pretty much. So
Okay.
you only have to line up this. But now they're separated or whatever. So it made it a little more tricky lining it all up, but it worked.
Filled it off. No, I'll have Bill drop me off. I'm gonna say, yeah, I'll be taking her per mile on that thing.
There we go. There we go. Come on, how about you go in? See, this is what I mean. Sometimes you go in, sometimes you go in. You never think.
That's, I think, a real complicated question.
You usually come over and go, what are you putting the intake on?
I don't know.
Hey, got 100 cars, paying a bill of mine.
Try it? Yeah, go for it. Alright, this thing is a 2006 06. It got a full stage 4 package. So, full head scan package. American Racing 2-inch headers, Haltech Killabee 108, Mammo ported MSD, Nick Williams 103, 60-pound injectors, and a Monster LT1S clutch. Triple, by the way. What is this thing baseline? 454 first pull. The 454 and 440 first pull on baseline. So it'll make 631. 623 first pull. 537 torque. What'd I tell you, son? So what'd I tell you, son?
Oh no, you're a little off.
I didn't say first pull.
Oh, okay.
I just said that's what it's gonna make.
Oh, sure.
I didn't tell you where you bought your shoes. I told you where you got them. And you got them on your feet. You don't know what that's from.
No.
You should though. Great movie. I don't know how many miles are on this thing. 38,000. .637. 546 torque. I didn't think it would pick up that much. I added some timing to it. I mean, I added 2 degrees of timing. It was low on timing. It only had like 18 degrees in it first pull. Now, I mean, yeah, it's got 20 degrees in it now up top. So I might actually even be able to squeak a little bit more in there. I'm gonna try. Above 6,000, I'll just add a half a degree. Same thing, 638, little less torque. Okay, this will probably be the last tune that I put in there because it's pretty close. Probably let this thing cool and then, well, I'll make this pull, let it cool, and then do a final pull. Same thing, 538, 543 torque. All right, I'm gonna let this thing cool, I'll be back. All right, let it cool down and see what she makes. .647, 546 torque. I'll make one more. I think I blew the wideband out. Ah, whatever, maybe not. .645, 545. I'd say this thing's done. That's pretty sick. So it picked up, I don't remember what a baseline. Picked up like 180 or 190, something like that. All right. That's stout. On to the next.
You're gonna throw down some guesses on this thing?
This thing?
Yeah.
What's it got? A bear ram and some muffs? It's got headers? FPO, LS3 auto. I'm going 420.
Ooh.
I could be low. 431 might be solid.
I'm going 415.
You're going what?
415.
15?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna say 435.
I might win just because both of you assholes are on 2 separate sides of the spectrum. I told you 430 for that.
Garrett, Milkman. The Milkman. Oh. I can't believe that happened.
What cam did he do?
Takes the speed one.
Let's see which one he's on it. This is LSLT camshaft.
Come in there, right? Oh. You know, doing this with the throttle body rub overhand is very annoying. It's the only annoying part about cam changes. Oh, there.
Is that gonna be pretty much it for this thing? Like just the cam?
Yeah, just getting a cam package. So we got headers and jaunts. So we just gotta put the chop jaunt in there.
I just always assume if, you know, there's 2 games on Sunday, there's, you know, just 2 games that day.
Don't work that way.
Yeah, Matt was telling me about Doghouse last week. He said it's super good.
They have breakfast too. I'm trying to get some breakfast one of these days. I'm trying to get Matt.
Say?
He said it was really good. He was talking about it last week.
Really?
Yeah.
You hear that, Kyle?
Yeah, he never liked it.
He hates it.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, the last 2 times in there, it must change his mind because we had a phenomenal experience.
Oh my god, I cannot wait, dude.
I haven't been in the doghouse in months.
Ah, dude, do I want to go large now?
You gonna go double dog?
Yeah, 2 cheese dogs and a fry and a jumbo fruit punch.
Yeah.
Jumbo fruit punch.
Oh my
Are they?
God, dude.
Their chili cheese dogs are nice too.
I have
Yeah, nice milkshakes.
Nice. Love a good milkshake.
Same.
Yeah, they just started doing milkshakes. God, I can't believe you just brought that up. I'm pumped.
Cause Eric, I've been thinking about it. I really have been. I haven't been there in a while. And we pass it like every time we go somewhere. I'm like, guys, I need to get back in there.
No, a lot of Texas Pete stuff does that.
So you have to read the stock keepers. Yep. Well, good thing I save them every time. God damn.
I probably got a bunch.
God damn it. Where'd it go? Where did it go?
I can't stop thinking about that dog.
I'm telling you.
I'm f***ing hungry now.
Yeah, now
Now that you know what we're getting, it's gonna make you more hungry.
Apparently they changed the owners. Last time I had it was probably a year ago. I had this time to get. The last time I had it was. Grab my. We had people from 50s there that place on Clark Road, like Clark Road. That's where they're building that new restaurant.
So you got the valve springs, the rods in, rockers,
Rods, huh?
the push rods.
Yeah.
So that's wrapped up for this thing, ready for the dyno.
All right, this is a, I don't know what year, base C6, I don't know what year, LS3 car that we just did a cam kit in. Customer had Texas Speed cam kit. It is, I don't know if there's like a name to the cam kit or what, but it's a 225, 236 on a 114. So I don't know like what cam that is, but that's actually all we did to it. I don't know what it baselined. What did this thing baseline? 414, and it already had headers and an air intake on it. It's a 2010. So let's see what she does. Okay. Why is this not starting? I literally just flashed it and it started perfectly fine. I'll be right back. Okay, it runs. I don't know what the was, but I don't know if that wideband's right. Make sure it's not like shoved in too far into the exhaust, because it said it was like 15-to-1 and it's definitely not that lean. This thing has 256 gears in it, so it's gonna go like 300 miles an hour on the dyno. We had 453, 433 there. I only revved it to 5,900. I'm not going any faster than that on the dyno. I went like 165 mile an hour. A 462, 446. That was like 180 mile an hour. That. .459, 437, so the other pole's probably gonna obviously be the highest. I'm gonna do trans right now and then we'll call this thing done. I'm just gonna do some trans. I'll try and do it 2, 3, 4. Since this thing has such long gears, second gear will probably go to fucking, I don't know, 80 mile an hour. Probably do one more of them and then we're done. I'd say this thing is done. The best power is 462 and 446. Not bad. Later, bye.